Hey everybody, so I got this new mounting kit for inflatables. You can use it for kayaks or inflatable boats. You just have to glue it on. I use this Aqua Pro PVC glue, and that's all I use to glue them on. Now they do have different kits that you can get. I did get the 2-pack of the fishing rod holders, and it also does come with the 2 mounting plates that you can glue on. Besides the fishing rod holder, they also have cup holders. They got fish finder holders, a lot of different holders, and all these do is just click into place. So with these, all you have to do is just click them right into place, flip a little switch to lock them in, and as you can see, these mounts actually work really well. You just want to make sure that you use really good PVC glue. Now what I used was a mini hot air gun. You could also use a blow dryer, but what you want to do is just heat up these mounts a little bit, make the rubber just a little more pliable, spread that PVC glue all over it, put it on there, and then what I did is I put a weight on there just to hold it down a bit. And I did deflate just a little bit when I did it, just so it would sit on there just right. It does take 2 hours for it to set and 24 hours for it to be like maximum hold. And as you can see, this stuff works great. So if you're looking to add a mount to your inflatable, whether you want it for fishing or a cup holder, fish finder, whatever it might be, you could definitely consider getting one of these. They work great. I will also put the links down below of the mounts, the fishing rod holders, and the others that you can get. And I do plan on getting a couple of the other mounts as well. And I may even get another set of these to put on another kayak. But get a set of these and glue it on, and it makes it that easy to have your fishing rod holder, your cup holder, whatever it is that you want to have a holder for. Anyway, this is the fishing rod mount holder kit. Hopefully this gives you an idea what to expect with it. Maybe this might be something you want to put on your boat or kayak. And I'll see you in the next one.